Hi there everyone, great to have your company here on Kalkine TV. I'm Rose Jacobs and you are watching Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be looking at the earnings of ASX BNPL firms Zip, Block, Sezzle and Splitit. So let's get started. Buy now, pay later giant Zip on Monday announced its half-year results for the period ending 31st December 2021 and reported strong growth in its key metrics including transaction volume, revenue and both customer and merchant numbers. The ASX-listed BNPL player reported a 92% rise in transaction volume to $4.5 billion and an 89% surge in revenue to $302.2 million during the given half. The company attributed the surge in revenue to strong growth across all geographies as customers continued to benefit from its products including Tap and Zip. However, the company's gross profit fell 23.2% to Australian $59.1 million and loss before tax stood at $214.2 million due to a significant rise in its cost of sales. Meanwhile, the company has requested a trading halt so that it could carry out an $198.7 million capital raising after announcing an agreement to acquire rival BNPL provider Sezzle. Several other ASX-listed BNPL firms have also announced their earnings in the past few weeks. So let's discuss how a few major companies operating in the sector have performed. Next up, Block was in focus last Friday after the company released its fourth quarter results for the period ending 31st of December 2021. Shares of Block, formerly known as Square, which recently completed its acquisition of Australia-based BNPL firm Afterpay, rose over 40% at one point on 25th of February 2022. Block's transaction-based revenue in the fourth quarter grew 41% from the prior corresponding period to US $1.31 billion. Similarly, Block's subscription business revenue surged 72% to US $772 million. The company reported a 47% year-on-year profit growth to US $1.18 billion in the period. Since the company is a major Bitcoin investor, it earned US $371 million during the period. The stock is currently trading at $174.82. Next up, Sezzle reported strong numbers for the 3 months ending 31st of December on account of robust performance during the 4-day holiday period of Black Friday through to Cyber Monday. The company also reported strong increase in its customer and merchant numbers. The BNPL player's underlying merchant sales during the December quarter grew 74.9% over the prior corresponding period and 21.8% quarter on quarter. Active customers surged 51.5% to 3.4 million year on year and active merchants rose 76% year on year to 47,000. Sezzle reported a strong total income growth of 49.1% to US $32.9 million. Meanwhile, Sezzle's total cash on hand stood at US $78.9 million at the end of the given period. The stock is currently trading at Australian $1.90 per share. Splitit announced a record annual merchant sales volume of US $396 million, a 61% year-on-year rise in its full-year results for financial 21. On an annualised basis, the run rate stood at over US $500 million in merchant sales volume based on the fourth quarter of financial 21. The BNPL player also reported that its active merchants rose to 1.25 thousand, up 60% year on year, and active shoppers increased up to 330,000, up 43% year on year. The company's growth was recorded in its core geographic markets of North America, UK and Japan. Splitit stock is currently trading at $0.18 per share. We'll be back with our Buzzing Trends show tomorrow to share the latest market insights with you. Till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy related hot trends.